Chef for Joe Show, Chef Frankie. It's time for the Bristle carpet cleaner. We want you to take a look at this. Now, one of the neighbors invited us to do their carpet. Okay? Want to see how dirty this is. And we're going to fire this thing up. Now, we're told this thing's loud. We are told this is very loud. So, you'll find the power switch right there. Spraying. Look at that. Look at that. Get it up here. Soak that down. Soak that down. Yeah. We want to get that all of that up in there. Want to get that there. Shut that off. I don't know if you can hear me or not. It's all right. Now move this back, get up that soak, and squeeze handle, go slowly forward and back. That puts the juice out. We're going to see how it does. Ready, everybody? Here we go. Always something. Always something. Okay. Gotta try it this way. There we go. Pulling trigger. Pulling trigger. Trigger. Cordless would be better, but they don't have any. There goes the shoe. Wear regular shoes. All right. We want to look at this. This piece of carpet. But that, look at that. Wow. And that's just a little bit of chemical that came with this thing. There's still a little stain for them. But we're going to let this dry and do it some more. But look at that. Now, if you got a lot of carpet and you want to keep your carpets clean, buy one of these. Forget the professional carpet cleaners. They are expensive. Showing you the light here. We got to get up in there. We got to move some stuff around for them. But look at that. I want to show you these tanks. That's the clean water. We put a little bit of formula. Look at that dirty water. Look how dirty that is. Wow. Okay? Clean water. In the long run, it's cheaper to buy one of these. One of the Bristle. Check that out. We're not being endorsed by these people. We wouldn't mind. Very easy to do. Alright, Surfer Joe Show, Chef Frankie. We got more copper to do, but we wanted to show you this. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe. Like our videos. Share our videos. Share our channel. Have a great Halloween. Goodbye.